Hey, how's it going, everyone? Welcome to Path to Wellness. I'm going to be starting a 7-day plant-based challenge on Monday, November 9th. That's this coming Monday. Let me know if anyone is interested in joining. So whether you're new to a plant-based lifestyle or you've been doing this a while, or maybe you've never done it before, I challenge you to go 7 days with me, starting again this Monday, the 9th. And go ahead and leave comments if this is something you're interested in doing. I'm going to be giving updates on all of my social media platforms. So you can find me on Facebook and Instagram, and of course YouTube. And the links for Instagram and Facebook are in the description box, so you can go and follow those as well. But I'll be giving daily updates on what I'm eating, how things are going. I love to interact with some people. If anyone has good recipes, we can share those. And I'll probably be giving out some recipe ideas as well during the 7 days. And I was thinking about doing something like this once a month. So this will be the first try, see how it goes, see if anyone's interested. Again, I'll be starting this Monday. I'll be posting daily videos, giving daily updates, what I'm eating, recipes, things like that. I've been mostly plant-based for 8 years. I have a certificate in plant-based nutrition from Dr. T. Colin Campbell, E. Cornell University. So I do have some experience with this, so if anyone ever has any questions, definitely reach out to me. I do coaching as well, so I'd be happy to help anyone out. Just let me know. And that's pretty much all I had to say for this video. I just want to let everyone know, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos. If you're interested in a plant-based lifestyle, I also practice intermittent fasting. I love calisthenics. I have recipes that I share, so check out those playlists and see what you think. So thanks for tuning in, everyone. We'll be back soon. Have a great day. Bye.